Improve the visibility of your business and make a positive, memorable impression with US Image Design. We specialize in web development, internet marketing, and graphic design for businesses throughout the Atlanta area and nationwide. The first part of doing business is to let people know who you are and what you do. US Image Design can help spread the word by directing traffic to your website through search engine optimization. We specialize in pinpoint marketing for national franchises that will focus on your specific location and customer base to give you an edge over the competition. No matter what kind of budget you have to work with, we can help establish your business in the online marketplace. You can also count on us to design and print your real-world materials, such as brochures, letterhead, business cards, and more. So get your business noticed by calling US Image Design today. Your image loud and clear.